Hello everyone, welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly. So today we're going to have a little bit of a look at a pair of shoes that I have been wanting for so long, and they are the Nike Air Max 270s. So I've been wanting these shoes probably since I would say almost a year, at least since late last year. And one of the reasons why I have been not really wanting to pull the trigger on them is just because they come in such an array of different color combinations. And because there's a little bit more of an expensive shoe, it's not really like I'm going to go out there and buy them in like every color. So I wanted to really make sure that the color that I got, that I was 1,000% happy with it. And I think I got that. So I did try these shoes on in January when I was in Las Vegas, because I just wanted to know for fit wise, kind of how they fit. And I didn't pull the trigger. I was thinking maybe I was going to buy them there because they are a little bit cheaper in the US than they are here in Canada. In the US, they go for about 150 US, and here in Canada, they're 210 Canadian. So that's quite a large price difference. But I kind of figured with the exchange and all that, I didn't really know if I was really getting a deal on it. So I decided to pass at that point. And so I've just kind of been keeping my eyes open. So a couple of weeks ago, one of the sports stores here was having a little bit of a sale on the 270s. And even though they didn't have the color that I really wanted, I just decided to go ahead and buy all white with light pink shoe. Even though it wasn't the color that I really wanted, I just pulled the trigger. I decided to get it because the deal was really good. And then the next day, the ones that I really wanted in the color that I really wanted went on sale somewhere else. So the shoes that I had bought from the sports store, I purchased them online. They were final sale. So I couldn't cancel the order. There was no opportunity for me to get a refund. So after a couple of days of just kind of feeling a little down about it, I was like, you know what? I have to be adult about this and I'm just going to take them. They're nice shoes. It's fine. And then after a couple of days, I actually got a message saying that my order was canceled. And I think the reason is because the store probably didn't have enough stock to fulfill the orders that people were making. So it kind of worked out in my favor. And I went to the other store. The color that I really wanted was still on sale. So I grabbed them. So we're going to have a look at those now. And I'm just going to kind of tell you a little bit of what I think of them. So here it is, says Air 270 on it. I got these in a size 6. I tend to buy my Nikes, all my Nikes in a 6 because I find that Nikes tend to run just a smidge big. Sometimes in sneakers I can be a 5.5. I've noticed with like my New Balance and when I've tried Asics on, 6s tend to be a little bit big on me. So I would go with a 5.5 in those, but with Nikes, I'm always a 6. So these ones are in a size 6, okay? So let's go ahead and open them up. So there they are. So I'm gonna take one shoe out and we're gonna have a look at it and I'm gonna tell you what I think about it. So we'll just put that one over to the side. So the color that I got is called Light Soft Pink and Black. Like I said, the original color that I had bought was like an all white shoe. So all this part was white. And on this back part here, it was like a very light baby pink color. And they were a nice shoe, just not the color that I really wanted. And this was the one that I really wanted. So it is like a material, and it has like these perforations all around. So you're not getting a leather shoe. It's got like this rubber reinforcement on the toe, which is really cool. And I don't think I've ever seen that in a shoe before. I feel like it really will help any kind of wear especially since it's a fabric shoe. I have had fabric shoes that I have worn for years and years and years, and eventually, they develop like a little bit of a hole in the toe part. So I see how this is a very practical design wise. So it's fabric. Like I said, it's a very light pink color. It has, of course, the black Nike swoosh here, and then it says Air 270 right there. On the back part, you've got a pull tab that has the Nike swoosh, and then on the opposite side, it says 270 on it. Once again, air on the back, and it has this cool air bubble. I have to admit, I've never really been one for a shoe that has like these visible air bubbles. I just sometimes think they look a little garish. So this is my first shoe, my very first shoe with one of these kind of transparent air bubbles. But I think it makes the shoe look really cool. And then let's see, as we go around the shoe, on the inside, so the instep of the shoe, you have the 270 there, and then another Nike swoosh. The tongue part, so the shoe is all one piece, so you don't have a separate tongue. So if that's an issue for you, that's just something to be aware of. The laces are quite flat, so they're not like the rounded laces, they're more of a flat lace. And of course, the light pink color matches the shoe. And then on the tongue, you've got another Air 270 with a Nike swoosh. So when you're putting it on, it kind of fits a little more like one of those sock shoes. So I might need my my shoehorn for this one, because because it's not a separate tongue, you don't have the ability to kind of like loosen the laces and pull the tongue out and kind of slip your foot in. But that's okay. That I feel is something that is going to make your foot fit a little more cozy in the shoe. Inside, I don't think we can see inside, but it's just the insole is just this nice pink color, and it says Air Max. Even the bottoms of the shoe looks really cool. It's pink down the middle, and it's got the bottom of the air bubble here with the sole. Hopefully they'll be non-slippery and provide quite a bit of traction. I'm not going to use these for jogging or for going on the treadmill. These are going to be more like a fashion sneaker, just for kind of like my everyday out and about sort of sneaker. So let's try them on. Like I said, because I have tried them on before, I don't really feel that much nervousness about how they're going to fit because I kind of know. When I was in Vegas, I did try in a 5.5 as well, but sixes are always the way to go for me with Nikes. So let's give them a try and see how they fit. Okay, so let's try them on and see how they look. Wiggle my foot in there to get it positioned properly. So good sizing so far. My toe is kind of right there, kind of where I want it to be. And so far, I think they look great. I'm really happy with the color of them. I'm so glad that I was able to get this color. So that's kind of how they look. So let me get up and give them a couple of steps here. But so far, I think they look so cool. Yeah, so the fit is perfect. They feel super comfortable. I'm really happy with the way that they fit. So there you go. That was the Nike Air Max 270. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see more videos that are similar to this, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you very soon in another video.